I have one question. I think parents tend to preempt how a choice made by a child is going to play out at times, their experience and their intent to maybe save you from pain that they see as pain or difficult experiences. This is something that I feel that my parents have tried to do, and I've also seen with a lot of friends that it's very common for parents to try to guide you when your choice is probably different from what they believe is the right choice to make. How can a child probably go back to their parents, share their perspective, and see what is the right way to move forward? And how can parents also understand that the child is going to go through their own experiences?
Yeah, this is the gap. This is the gap, beta. And the newer generation is really fumbling here because all parents want actually the best for their child. In the best they become controlling and possessive, not realizing that the child actually has a lot of intelligence. And that is what I'm stressing on, that the child has intelligence. He has a mind. And if you put in the right ingredients when the time was right, they will move on. And like it is very part of life to make mistakes. It is okay to make a few mistakes. Nobody gets it right initially. But mistakes don't mean that, that's it, that's all. So yeah, beta, that is true. I completely agree. But parents' love is sometimes very possessive, very protective, and they do mean well, but that does give them a lot of pain because the children also want to be free, and children also want to be able to give them the freedom to make their own choices, to make to try their efforts, use their brain, use their body, and show that their confidence comes when they do these things for themselves. The child who is confident is the one who makes a few mistakes and then learns from them. Nobody learns when the parent has given them a recipe and said, okay, now you walk on this and the road will be straight. That is a no-no. That is a no-no. So guide them, show them the way forward, let them walk, let them stumble. You be around, be taking care of them, shelter them as and when required. Sheltering means just saying, yeah, you know that it hurts. And other than that, till they really say it's hurting, we can't really also add more. So it is understanding that the children are their own individuals more than anything else. And that is an important part to understand. Yeah?